Mandela company, my dad. I throw, swing 20. Ha! All right. It's a wrap, my love. It's a wrap. Thank you.
Hello Mzansi, the past few days, Mahlaleni Tabeni was declared dead, but Sunday World published a story that she is alive. She came to set the record straight. Watch this.
Ngiyanibingelela lonke Mzansi wase-South Africa. Ngiyenza le video because of ngifuna ukuxolisa. Ukufuna ukuthatha impilo yami, angikaze ngicabangela abantwana bami. Ngibe selfish. Ngicela ukuthi ngixolele kuko konke lokho Mzansi. Nami angizenzanga. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi benwabona ama-video wami ku-TikTok. Even though abantu bebakhomenta ngendlela bakhomenta ngayo, bengingabuza ubuhlungu by that time. But ngigcine sengibona ukuthi this thing le ibuhlungu. Angikhonanga ukucontrol imizwa yami. Angikwazanga ukucabangela abantwana bami, ngaba selfish. Kuko konke lokhu bekungizwisa ubuhlungu. But ngibonga uNkulunkulu wami engimkhonzayo nabezimu basekhaya ukuthi bangikhusele ngibe namandla ukuthi ngikhona ukudlula kulesi simo. Njengoba benwabona ama-video wami ku-TikTok guys, bengasinto yokudlala lento bengiyenza. Bengifuna usizo ngendlela engibona ukuthi ngingalithola ngakhona, but still angikaze ngilithole. I cannot go on social media ngikhuluma izinto ukuthi azikho, ukuthi ziyangidla and zibuhlungu. Guys, ngibasebenzela abantu beMoja Love and mina besides nginabantwana. Nginomamami ekumele ngabe ngiyamondla. Njengabo abantu engisebenza nabo kuMoja Love fana noDabula noMaseko. Abantu abafana nami kuleyo show, ama-main character. Njengoba baclaima kuma-social media ukuthi bona ba-happy, ba-right, baholile, abanankinga neMoja Love. Mina guys ngicinisile nginayo inkinga neMoja Love. Abantu laba angibayenzanga nice guys, ngibasebenzele and ngabasebenzela clean. Ngaphandle kwento eziningi mhlampe ezingenza ukuthi ekugcineni bangiphathe ngale ndlela bangiphathe ngayo. So they failed to pay me imali yami. And ngisebenzile. The reason why bangafuni ukungibhadala angazi. The worst thing abafuna ucommunicate nami, ba-communicate nomamami kulesimo lesi. I don't know why. Mengizwa bakhuluma nomamami, but it's because of mina ngiye ku-social media. I went to social media because of nginenyanga ngicommunicate nabo since October, bangangiphenduli, bangiblock. Azange bafuna ukukhuluma nami. Nginama-record enginawo efonini yomngani wami oseMamelodi uTears. Beza kimi bangitshela ukuthi this thing lena singayilungisa. I come back at home. Babatshela ukuthi ngifikile ekhaya, abakasebenze ekhaya yithi. Ekugcineni bagcine bangibhula bangitshela the way ekhaya sihlupheke ngakhona. That is why ngihlanya ngiye kuma-social media ngifuna imali yami. I have to ukuthi ngiyilwele imali yami to the extent that bangisebenzise ngale ndlela ukuthi wherever that I shoot mina ngami it's a reality. Impilo yami unlike ama-content wabanye abantu abawafeyikayo. Eyami mina impilo bengiyi-expose for real for them to earn money in a company, but ekugcineni ke kwenzakalani? Abafuna ukungibhadala imali yami guys. Mina nginabantwana abayi-3 and I'm a single parent. Abantwana bami ngiyazondlela bona. Akekho omunye umuntu ongisizayo. Abantwana bami they went to Christmas bangana-next, banganakudla, banganay'mpahla. Manje I have to ukuthi bayoregister esikolweni. Anginamali yokuthi bathenge even i-uniform, but mina I've worked hard for the company. Then now I receive nothing from them. And no reason ukuthi why they do that to me. I went to many broadcasters ukuthi bangisize, bangitshela ukuthi they are fully booked. Bona ngeke bakhona ukungisiza. Some of them you can see ukuthi babablockile. So guys, abantu laba bangibhule too much elifini. bangiphule too much elifini and bangiphendule umuntu engasuyena. Like inhliziyo yami ayiseseyihle, izinto engizicabangayo azikho right. Kusho ukuthi abacabangeli nabantwana bami, abacabangeli imizwa yami. uDabula noMaseko anginandaba nabo because labo ba-very cheap. Labo ungabathenga ukuthi bathathe impilo yomunye umuntu, labo ungabathenga ukuthi bayenze nanoma yini, especially uma ukhuluma ngemali. So mina my-useless thing ukuthi azange ngivume ngami because ngibona ukuthi this thing leyo ukuthi ngibasebenzele, but I don't get nothing. Ifuture yami isamile. I didn't choose that. That is why ngila ngikhona manje. So mina please ngicela abantu laba bangibhadale imali yami so that I do my thing. Ngiyabingelela nonke emzansi emakhaya. Ngithanda ukuxolisa nale nto eniyizwile yanidabukisa ey'nhliziyweni zenu yanizwisa ubuhlungu. Futhi ngithanda ukuxolisela nalabo abasheshile ukuzwa ubuhlungu bakhuluma the way bazizwa ngakhona kuma-social media, especially uNkanyezi noMfundisi, because kuyibona bona laba enginabo kule simo sokulwisana nalabantu laba bangangiphathi kahle. Nami bengakazenzi Mzansi, futhi bebangacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ngingaphinde ngibone ngamehlo lawa ngibona ngawo manje. Kunezizathu zokuthi why ngigcine ngithatha isinqumo esifana nalesi. Namanje la ngikhona ngikho right, ngisazama ukuthi ngirecover. Ngicela ukuxolisa kuNkanyezi nakuMfundisi nakubo bonke laba abangithandayo. Angibonanga ngeliso linye futhi bengacabangela abantwana bami. Ngisuke ngaba selfish because of angikwazanga ukuzixolela the way bese ngizwa ubuhlungu ngakhona.
Mahlaleni Tabeni also posted this caption: I am also sorry to my boyfriend. I know I have been stupid and selfish. I'm also sorry to your family, to Higgins Dumisani Skosana. So Mojalove released the statement after realizing that Mahlaleni Tabeni did not pass out. For immediate release, Mojalove condemns misinformation, distortion, and malicious behavior. Johannesburg, Mojalove unequivocally condemns the misinformation, distortion, and malicious behavior by Mahlaleni Tabeni Bishop Julius Moloi and Mxolisi Arthur Kubeka, better known as Zinja. For a considerable period, the channel has exercised restraint and chosen not to engage publicly, despite persistent provocation. However, the continuous spread of misinformation, threats against staff, and recklessness allegations leave the channel with no option but to respond. The false suicide claim by Mahlaleni Tabeni cast on Umdeni Maseko is deeply concerning and raises concern about her mental well-being and credibility. It is deeply irresponsible and profoundly unjust for individuals who are clearly grappling with personal challenges to implicate the company which has absolutely no involvement in their personal circumstances. In a so-called note that was circulating on social media, the channel has reached out to her husband Maseko to see if we can offer assistance in committing her to a mental institution and full pay for her treatment. The conduct of former employee Zinja, who was fired for corruption and taking money from vulnerable people that the channel was assisting, is alarming. Furthermore, he took advantage Mahlaleni Tabeni, someone with serious mental challenges. He is ill-disciplined and a violent character. He has been threatening staff and orchestrating campaigns of intimidation and misinformation. Mahlaleni Tabeni responded by saying, fake contracts, fake scenes, grilled people, selfish people, heartless people. At the end, they're bullying my mom, Julie Machete, producer, and Livuani HR. This Mojalove need investigation. You will thank me later, Mzansi. And they must stop blame people for all of this. They must blame themselves for being selfish. To me, Zinja, Nkanyezi, Bishop Moloi, this did nothing wrong to them. Mojalove team, they can even call me because what they did to my family. And then the statement continues saying that as a channel, we will not tolerate this behavior as we are the champions of the poor and those who are seeking justice. On this issue of Bishop Moloi, the channel rejects the false narrative being aggressively promoted by him. The channel received serious and disturbing complaints from his church members because of the sensitive nature. We cannot make them public. As a result, the channel had to release him with immediate effect. His ongoing fixation on the channel appears driven by bitterness and resentment rather than fact. The channel has remained silent for far too long in the face of sustained attacks. And then Mahlaleni Tabeni responded to that by saying, that's not true, nothing but lies. did you call me and sit down with me? Nothing, because of selfish and heartlessness. I've been treated unfairly since last season. So now enough is enough. I need production to conf it out all the bad treatment I got from these people. Now I can see that the CEO doesn't know all of this, or it's either they are fooling him with stupid lies. Anyone who is interested about my confession can contact her on these numbers. I will fight for my right.